Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can delete users in Wrike. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wrike here, and when you're going to be here, you just want to simply go to the top right corner to your account and then just click settings. When you're going to be in settings, you will see it here on the left under account management users, and when you're going to do it, you're going to see it here all the users that you got, right? And you want to simply click on the user, and then you're going to see it here, delete user. And be careful, you can undo this, and this is how you can permanently delete someone in Wrike. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Goodbye.